Hello Hodghill, and welcome to today's lesson on percentage conversion. By the end of the lesson, you should be expected to be able to convert percentages to fractions and fractions to percentages. Okay, so the keywords for today are percentage, decrease, increase, fractions, highest common factor, and division. Okay, so it may be applicable and useful in sales when calculating discounts in shops. Okay. So, firstly, percentages to fractions. We take the percentage and we write it as a fraction over 100. For example, over here we have, if I just go back here, if we have 48% here, what I'm going to do is take this number here in the percentage and write it over 100. So again, the numerator is the percentage and the denominator is 100. Okay, we haven't fully finished this question yet because we need to simplify this fraction. Okay, so what we do is we find out the HCF of 48 and 100. Okay, we find the highest common factor of 48 and 100. Okay, the largest or the highest common factor of 48 and 100 is 4. Okay, so what I'm going to do here is divide top and bottom by 4. And we get 12 over 25. Okay, we cannot simplify that any further. That is your final answer. Okay, on your mini whiteboard or your piece of paper, can you have a go at turning the percentage 1% into a fraction? Okay, welcome back. So I'm going to take the percentage, which is the number 1, and I'm going to write it in the numerator and 100 in the denominator. This cannot be simplified any further because the highest common factor of 1 and 100 is 1. Okay. Can you please, on a piece of paper or a mini whiteboard, calculate the percentage 15% and convert it into a fraction? Convert 15% into a fraction. Once you have finished, come back. Okay, welcome back. So 15% as a fraction, I'm going to take the percentage 15, put it in the numerator, out of 100, and the highest common factor of 15 and 100 is 5, so I'm going to divide top and bottom by 5, and I get 3/20. The answer is 3/20. Okay, we can now do percentages to fractions, so what we're going to learn is how to convert fractions back into percentages. So first example is a half. What we do is we need to convert it into a fraction out of 100. So I need to do something to the denominator to convert it into 100 using a multiplier. Okay, I need to multiply 2 by 50 to get to 100. Okay, to get to 100. So I need to multiply the numerator also by 50, and that gives me 50 out of 100. Okay, once we have converted it into a fraction out of 100, our percentage is simply your number in the numerator, which is 50%. So it's equals to 50%. Okay, I'm going to do one more example. I need to convert this fraction into a fraction out of 100. Okay, what I'm going to do is show you how to find the multiplier. I need to turn this into 100. So what I'm going to do is 100 divided by 50 equals to 2. So I'm going to multiply the denominator by 2. So I must also multiply the numerator by 2. And that gives me 100, and that also gives me 24. Again, our percentage is the number in the numerator, so our percentage is equals to 24%. Okay, can you now have a go please at converting this fraction into a percentage? Once you're finished, come back. Okay, welcome back. So what I'm going to do on the left hand side is 100 divided by the denominator of 25, that equals to 4. So we have found our multiplier. So I'm going to multiply the denominator by 4 and the numerator by 4, and then I get 12 over 100. Again, our percentage is the number in the numerator, so our percentage is 12%. Okay, can you please have a go converting this fraction into a percentage, and once you're finished, please come back. Okay, welcome back. So I'm going to do 100 divided by the the denominator, which is 20, that equals to 5. So our multiplier is 5. I'm going to times the denominator by 5. I'm going to times the numerator by 5, and I get 55 over 100. Our percentage is the numerator. Our percentage is 55%. Okay, if you are set 1 to 3, can you please have a go at 3 questions from red and 5 questions from amber. I'm just going to write that down for you. Sets 1 to 3, can you do 3 from red and 5 from amber? Okay, if you are set 4 to 6, can you please have a go at 5 from red and 3 from amber? Once you have finished, can you take picture of your solutions and upload them onto class charts? Good luck.